Success is the only thing that will shame the doubters and the naysayers. Bless.
And then I got to the mirror. Everything looks the fucking same to me.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, and let's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. I hope all is well. Let's give you what I mean. Anyone of them, I will love and blessings, man. Give thanks for your continuous support. You know why yes, we deal with diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength, inclusion is it, no confusion. Yes, man. Coming up in this vlog here, we have Mr. G, aka Goofy, recording artist, producer, songwriter. Yeah, but I make a speech about the people that may try and not get no support. Believe in yourself. But nobody tell you say you can't do it. You see me? Enough people don't believe until them see it happen. They rather watch and struggle more than give an helping hand and some support. So I'm going to hear Mr. G. I say, big up Mr. G. Positive speech. You know what I mean? I'm uplifted and motivated by it. You see me? We also have this pretty young lady here who do BBL and like it. That one, it not turn out good, so she a cry and thing, you know what I mean? Well, sorry for her, but I'm not sorry for her because look how she beautiful and genuine style. You see it? Viewers and subscribers, we are forward in the morning. Go check out my single, What Is Wrong With Humanity? It's over on my artist page. Zine. I'll leave the link in the comment section so you can click it and go watch it. As I say, big up on yourself and I don't know, all of our blessings. We are forward.
What is wrong with humanity? Who not kill, but won't and sell them so for vanity?
Blessed love, a pleasant day to you all my fans out there. Listen, I say all of my Instagrammers, TikTokers, Facebookers, Twitters, YouTubers. Yes, I just want to inform you guys that my single, What Is Wrong With Humanity, the video is out now on my YouTube channel. See, you can go watch it and share it and like it and leave on feedback. Let me know what y'all think. The people who want to hear good music, righteousness, and believe in positivity. Yeah, man. The single is not out yet, but will be soon on all digital platforms. But for now, if you want to hear the full song, check it out on my YouTube channel. See? I'm a love. Remember, righteousness lead the way. Go shot.
I am a proud Jamaican. Me love my country, but I'm worried for the nation. No good examples now set no foundation. The future looks sticky for this and the next generation.
Yes, man. So you don't know what is wrong with humanity. See my artist page there. You can go over there and subscribe to help channel grow. You know what I mean? We are aiming for 1,000 subscribers. So I say we have a whole lot of new music forward soon. So stay tuned. Big up all of the fans them. You see it. So with no further delay, hear what you know what? This young lady here. Hear the young lady and her voice.
And then I got to the mirror. And I turn around and look in the mirror. When I turned around and looked in the mirror, yeah, everything looks the fucking same to me. I had to gain weight in order to get fat to put in there. And I gained like 15 pounds. Yeah. Just so I could get fat to put in there. To put myself through all this pain again. For it to look the same. I'm not looking for sympathy from no one, because as I said, I know what I'm doing, but that's one who messed it up in the first place. And I've specifically asked for a doctor who could fix it.
Channel, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, how the world gone to? It's like them people are not proud of themselves or who them are. You're beautiful. Nobody tell you you're not. You know? Slim. Everybody want this BBL, big body. Them save them money through them partner, do whatever. If you get the money, if you go cut up them body. No sir, she brave. So it come like say she go do her BBL. Never happy with it, didn't do good. Then she go back on the knife again for go do it. And she said she asked him if they can do it, and then he said yeah. When she second attempt, when she look in the mirror, she not see no changes, everything look the same. So that she a crying on breakdown. Boy, I mean I tell you star. The woman them, some woman like them not confident in themselves and happy with themselves. I saw you born, I saw God make you be proud of who you are, whether you make you want to say you're ugly or you're not in a shape and them sitting there. Be proud of yourself and who you are, man. You see me? I'm sorry for her, but I'm not sorry for her. Look how she young and beautiful, man. Look how she young and beautiful. She don't look more than even 20, 23 years so. And I go through them. John, don't start my viewers and subscribers. Let me know what y'all think still, you see it? You let me know what you think. You know, I'm not sorry for her, yeah, man. You see me? I'm sorry for her, I'm not sorry for her. Because she made the choice, you know? For go underneath the knife 2 times. And it never work out, she not happy with it. You see me? Well, maybe the second one, I threw them just put in the gel. It take time to develop. So maybe she will see changes. I don't know how them things they work. But let me know in the comment section below. See? Yeah, man. Moving on now, here up Mr. G, aka Goofy, the big artist I say.
You know, I don't know about nobody else, but you see me, I don't believe say nothing at all come easy. And I say sometime in life, it is good to be underrated. Because when you're underrated, it make you have to work harder. And you see, when you work harder, you outwork your competitors. You outwork your peers. Because what? You're underrated. You know where in a you know. But remember, say, most of the time, people, natural nature is that they don't believe in anything until them see it become successful, until them see it manifest. So believe in yourself. Don't make nobody make you doubt you. You hear me say? Don't make nobody make you doubt you. If you don't reach where you want to go, there are going to be bumps, speed bumps, pothole, whatever you can think about. But outwork. Because remember, success is the only thing that will shame the doubters and the naysayers. Bless.
Yes, man, what a solid speech from Mr. G. Big up yourself anywhere you're there on the ground or overseas, you see it? Yeah, man. You know, for people, if you feel downhearted, like nobody not believing in you and not support you, you believe in yourself, push yourself. You know what I mean? Don't stop till you get there. As what Mr. G said, don't let nobody make you hate you. You see me? Keep on fighting because friends, families, none of them not believe until them see it happen. And them see you when I run in. When them shouldn't give you an help along the way. None of them have links and still nah try, you know what I mean? Yes, but as you know, just be strong in yourself, and whether you want to be a musician, you know, anything in life where you aspire, believe and go for it. You see me? Yeah, man, believe and go for it, man. People that go criticize you, people that go laugh off of you. Don't watch what nobody wants to say, just believe in you and do you. At the end of the day, you want it. Only you can make yourself happy. And you have to want it more and hungry than who out there want to help you. Don't sit down and wait. Go out there, go look it. Is it? Yeah, man. So big up yourself, Mr. G. Love the message. Love the message, man. Yeah, man. It uplifts me, man. Is it? Because no people are wagging this boy. Yeah. No friends and family are wagging this boy. Yeah. You see me? I say that with no apology. Is it? Yeah, man. Life are the greatest gift. Every aspiring artist, male, female, dancer, actor, host, anything we want to be in life. Cricket, basket, you can do it. Nobody tell you say you can't. You see it, you can do it. You have to just believe and push yourself. Yes, so me and say, Yes, my viewers and subscribers, man, you know why we deal with positivity and the man of peace. Peace we say over war and love over hate. You see it? Straight. Yeah, man. Pick up on yourself and don't forget to like and share the content, subscribe and click the bell. And if you are subscribed, make sure you click all, you see me? So you don't miss a content when I drop one. Big up on yourself again. Blessed love.
What is wrong?